So you have ancestral superpowers that you don't even know about. So the first ancestral code, as I said, is the forgotten codes. And these are the gifts, the wisdom, the strengths from your lineage that have been lost to conscious awareness. So pretty well most of our ancestors beyond our grandparents, we didn't know. I, for example, um, grew up in a kind of a fostered, adopted kind of setup. And I never knew any of my birth family growing up, and I didn't even know what the story was. But as I've come to find out, I can see the patterns that I have actually taken on from ancestors that I didn't know because I've looked into it. And the resources that you don't know that you have, and maybe your great grandmother had a gift for healing, or a fierce courage, or a profound connection to the land. And those capacities didn't disappear when she died. It's encoded in you. But if her story was lost, or silenced, or never passed down, you have no idea that this strength, or gift, or talent exists. But if her story, is rediscovered and reminded, forgotten codes are like an inheritance you never collected, and you can collect it. So the money's in the bank, the credit's there, just waiting to be picked up, and you just don't know the account exists. But stay tuned to find out about frozen codes in part 4.